With a bright, vivid screen using technology that's new to laptops and a stylish, lightweight chassis, the 15-inch Samsung Galaxy Book Flex is an excellent 2-in-1 convertible notebook. The Galaxy Book Flex is the first laptop to make use of Samsung's QLED display technology, which has long been available on TVs. QLED has a reputation for reproducing exceptionally vivid colors, and it delivers an incredibly bright screen that can even be viewed outdoors. The Full HD or 1080p native resolution is decent, though we did find that text occasionally appears a bit fuzzy. Other innovative features include Samsung's built-in S Pen. The S Pen functions as a digital stylus, as well as a remote control. There's also a wireless charging mat built into the touchpad. If you plug in your laptop before you go to bed, and set your Qi-compatible smartphone or smartwatch on the touchpad, everything will be charged by the morning. It's a nifty and novel feature, though you can't take advantage of it when you're actually using the touchpad, of course. The laptop's sleek, deep blue color scheme will turn heads, while the surprisingly light 3.4-pound weight ensures that it won't weigh you down unnecessarily. That's a pretty light weight for a laptop with a 15-inch screen. Now, there are a few drawbacks we spotted in the Galaxy Book Flex, including some glitches with the S Pen software and an uncomfortable keyboard. But at $1399, the same price as Samsung's flagship Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, the Galaxy Book Flex is a decent value. Shoppers who are sticklers for screen quality and people who are constantly looking for a place to charge their phones should give it a look.